Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google AI Studio to Supabase. Just follow these steps so you can use the Gemini API together with your Supabase database inside N8N. First, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, click Get API Key. Then click Create API Key. Enter a name, select a cloud project, and click Create. After the key is created, click on it and keep this window open. You'll need the key later. Next, open Supabase and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the settings icon on the left. Select Data API, because you will need two important pieces of information from this page. Now, open a new tab and search for N8N, then log in. Once you're inside N8N, click the plus icon and select Workflow. Click on Personal, then click Add First Step. Search for Gemini, then select Google Gemini from the results. Scroll down and find Generate an Image, then click it. Next, click Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Go back to your Google AI Studio tab, copy your API key, return to N8N, and paste it into the API key field. Click Save. Now search for Supabase inside N8N and select it. Choose Create a Row. Click Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Go back to your Supabase tab and copy your project URL. Paste it into the host field in N8N. Next, in Supabase, go to API Keys. Find Legacy Anon and Service Role API Keys. Copy the Service Role Secret key. Go back to N8N and paste the Service Role Secret into the required field. Click Save, then click Execute Step to test the connection. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll have Google AI Studio successfully connected to Supabase through N8N anytime.